guys. Anyways, I'm near Taft somewhere, and that's how the crowded streets of Philippines looks like. A lot of markets, a lot of traffic, as you can see. Bicycles everywhere. Lovely stuff. People are resting. Here you can smell fish. I guess they sold fresh fish today. There is fresh fish, vegetables, more vegetables. Oh, mangoes, fresh mangoes. Definitely buy it. Fresh meat again. Here you can get really fresh stuff if you want. Lovely. Rice, different kinds of rice. Got to be careful here.
Kaya ako para sa segundo. Your savings up to 25%.
Daycare center. Oh, lovely stuff. School child. Market. In the market there is like lots of clothes, very cheap. Never seen this many variety of price in my life in Europe, you know. Oh, I got traffic jam. Woo! We're making squid now. Squid. Very good. Just before I actually had fresh cocoa juice, really delicious. Love it. Something I really missed when I was walking like in Makati or something, you know, more fancy cities. There is no street vendors or anything, you know. I love like having street vendors. You can get like fresh juice, whatever, or water from everywhere, you know. It's really lovely. That's what I really miss. And like I missed in Makati, even though it's beautiful, very tall buildings. But yeah, eggs, I guess that's the price, 9, 10, 8 pesos per egg. And yeah, these streets, I'm not gonna go there, but these streets are like more, you can see. I'm gonna try to show you guys. Wait a moment. Ooh, more food. I guess it's all delicious. But yeah, like streets go like this, as you can see, very narrow there. Not gonna go there though. It's too far away from the main road. And yeah, some guy with GoPro walking on the street. I don't know. I want to enjoy my travel still. Hi sir. And now we are gonna arrive to the bigger street again. Small ones. A lot of markets here, a lot of stuff. So guess we should actually cross the street. Let's see what's the other side of the street, because actually I came from here before. I was a bit lazy to just take GoPro out, so yeah. But I survived. I'm not used to crossing streets like this. It's a bit sketchy, to be honest, but lovely stuff. Oh. You can get a lot of slippers or stuff here, you know. Actually, one thing I learned, cheap slippers can be much better than the branded one, because I have actually living proof. These are the rocks, you can see damage. But I had before like €5 slippers, like, you know, 60 peso here, I guess. No, 25 peso, 30, something like that. Then it was very cheap slippers, and those never scratched my leg. I mean, perfect. So yeah, you cannot look price or brand only, even though like Rock should be a very good brand for slippers. I'm gonna say like it doesn't matter much. If it doesn't fit your leg well like this, then yeah, you will have a bit hard time. Anyways, look at this electricity line, guys. So low. That's the crazy thing about these electricity lines, you know. How the hell do they repair this, or, you know, do these things? And these are so low as well. I mean, it's not the craziest one I have seen. There are like super crazy ones, you know. But look at that, even crazy stuff. So what else? Oh, barangay hall in front. So in Philippines, like streets or something has like barangay, I guess, like barangay captain or whatsoever, I guess. I think he's the guy who is there, and you know, he's the boss of the street. I might be wrong though, I'm not so sure about it, but yeah, should be something like that. Well, it gets more lonely here. I guess we will cross the street again and see what's there, more markets there, you know. And then yeah, let's see what will happen. Not much to buy. I mean, I'm not gonna buy any clothes here because I have everything I need with me already. Soon I should find something to eat, I guess, but jeepneys and stuff. I love driving a jeepney, but the thing is, it's very difficult to, you know, it's very difficult to know where it goes or how it works, because there is no lines or something written, you know. So yeah, I'm struggling a lot to use these jeepneys. So currently I mostly use my foot power and metro, of course. Well, metro is very simple and cheap, but though I failed a lot. I paid like additional fee for no reason. I came up on wrong station by mistake, actually. So yeah. Oh, very crowded place, this one here. I love already, you know, taft and nice, crowded, having a lot of people, you know, lovely. It's not like so now I guess we try to go other side of the street over these skywalks, or however they call these. Lovely, love those. Just walking around. Yeah, everyone wants to make some weight, you know, so they're often asking, can I give you a ride, blah blah blah, you know. I mean, of course, it's nice, but I don't have any destination. I mean, I'm just randomly walking to show you guys around, and I mean, experience myself there. Manila as well. So yeah. Whew. So we will cross the street, we will go that side, let's see what's there. Look at this busy district, look at this. Everyone are going somewhere. Oh. As you can hear, it's really loud here. Actually, that's the metro station I have used before a lot. Not a lot, but a few times. Before. I remember that grey building now. It was still on construction, by the way. I remember that one. Should I take metro and go somewhere or no? Where to go in that case? Then I need to come back same way as well. I'm not sure if I... Thinking maybe I should just walk here. Or...